Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Sanchi Shetty. I make videos about skincare, makeup, lifestyle, and I also do vlogs. So if you're interested, do consider subscribing. Also hit the notification bell so every time I upload a video you will get notified. And this video is about hostel move-in vlog. And yes, my second year has started and I'm going back to hostel after 2 months of long summer vacations. And to be honest, they were really good. So much things happened, and I have also uploaded a summer vacation vlog. So if you have not seen that, go please check out that vlog. You will see that vlog in the I button, so tap on that and go watch it and do let me know how it is. So I traveled to Pune and I reached at 6 a.m. in the morning. I took auto rickshaw, I went to my new PG, I kept my bags there, and I went to college because I have to attend college because already I was not there in college for like 15 days. So I was just having that fear of coming in defaulter list. So after college, I got myself cold coffee and this shave pow. And then I went to PG, filled my admission form, did all the basic things. Actually, I was not feeling at my best, but then I thought it's the starting days and I will get into my schedule and all, and everything will be okay. But yeah, we will see. Then I went to my room, had some food while talking to my mom on video call, and then at night, me and my friends we went to mess to have our dinner. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा अच्छा देते हैं क्योंकि न्यू न्यू बच्चे आते हैं इसलिए. एंड देन इट्स द नेक्स्ट डे. मैं रात में सोई नहीं क्योंकि मुझे नींद ही नहीं आई. सो आई थॉट लेट्स वेक अप अर्ली एंड गो टू कॉलेज ऑन टाइम, जो कि मैं कभी होती नहीं हूँ, टाइम पे कॉलेज जाती नहीं हूँ. तो मैंने सोचा उस दिन मैं जल्दी उठ के कॉलेज जाऊँ टाइम पे, और मैं गई कॉलेज टाइम पे. एंड यस, दिस इज़ जस्ट मी गोइंग टू कॉलेज. और उसके बाद मैंने खाया लंच. यार मेरे रोज़ के शेड्यूल में ना ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है जब मैं आपको ऐसे पर्सनली दिखाऊँ एंड ऑल. इट्स जस्ट वेकिंग अप, गोइंग टू कॉलेज, कमिंग, रेस्टिंग, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट डे वेकिंग अप, गोइंग टू कॉलेज, हैविंग फूड. ये फिर से कॉलेज से आते वक्त हमने वड़ा पाव खाया था. एंड दिस इज़ which I was writing application to my hostel warden about leaving the hostel. Hello you all. So right now I brought my all the luggage in my room and I'm going to assemble it properly, organize it properly, because it's really very messy right now. Wait, let me show you. So you can see everything lying here and there because I have not sorted anything yet and I have to do that. Also अब तक मैंने ना बहुत ऐसे क्लिप्स लेके शूट किया. आई हैव नॉट व्लॉग प्रॉपरली बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट इन द स्टेट. ओके, फर्स्टली द डे आई केम, it was the worst day because I was very unstable. I don't know what to do, and the PG was new for me and everything was like, oh my god. So now I'm little bit stable. So also I got all of my luggage which was in locker room at hostel. When I was going to home, I kept all my luggage in the locker room. So and now we will arrange it. Maybe I will feel better. And also my room is pretty good. I like it. And yeah, अभी के लिए वो काम करते हैं. और अभी मेरा ऐसा प्लान है कि ये सब मैं समेटूंगी, लाइक 50% समेटूंगी क्योंकि 100% तो नहीं होगा, आई नो फॉर श्योर. और उसके बाद मैं अच्छे से शॉवर लूँगी, लाइक मेरे को हेयर वॉश भी करना है. सो इट विल बी अ वेरी गुड शॉवर फॉर मी. तो वो करूँगी और उसके बाद हम बैठेंगे असाइनमेंट्स लिखने के लिए. तो इस तरह से मेरे सेकेंड ईयर की शुरुआत हो रही है गाइज, एज यू ऑल कैन सी. Also wait, let me show you the view. Or should I show the view in my room tour video? I don't know what to do. Okay, we will show the view in room tour video. Right now, you just, watch my time lapse of organizing everything. By the way, the view is so good. I just love it.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
So as of now, you have seen my hostel moving vlog, but wait. Actually, I was not feeling well in PG as compared to hostel, because I was also feeling claustrophobic kind of thing, as there was not much space and they have also not provided a proper cupboard which I wanted, and for the reason I moved out in PG. But there were no things which I wanted and I mentioned for my PG essentials. So I just thought, and after a lot of discussion with my friend and also chat gpt, yes, I did conversation with chat gpt about what decision should I take, because I was so confused, so damn confused. And then finally I came to a conclusion that I should leave PG and join hostel, because the rent and all the fees were the same, and there is no any reason to choose PG over hostel. If the rent is same and everything is same, I opted PG for some better facilities and all, but I didn't get it there. So I just thought I should take this decision. And also I was not feeling well in the PG, like it was very depressing. I don't know what is the problem with the vibe in that room, but that room was not giving me the proper vibe. And also you are living far away from your parents, and if you want to live happy, just leave those places which doesn't give you good vibes. So for that reason I just left PG. Also the rent of 1 month just got vested, but you know the things which cost your mental health should not be prioritized or anything. I took this decision after a lot of discussion with my parents, chat gpt, with me, and what I feel. So also I took in consideration a lot of points on the basis of which I took PG instead of hostel. So I thought, like, hostel is pretty good, I will do some adjustment here and there and I will live in hostel. And also it will be all convenient and all the things. And yeah, also the rest of the vlog you have seen, and I have not given you my personal space tour. Like, it, I cannot say room tour because we live 4 girls in a room in hostel. So whenever I will give you a room tour or my personal space tour, I will show you my space in my room. And yeah, it will be fun. I am making a proper vlog on that particular thing to decorate my space, to feel happy and feel at peace there. So yeah, do watch that vlog also, it is in making. When I will go to hostel from my home, I will make that vlog.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight.
Stay tuned and thank you if you made till here. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm so grateful for you all. Bye.